Welcome to another Dishes by MI video. It's what I would say if you all chose MI, but you didn't, so let's try this again. Welcome to another Dishes by Me video. Y'all voted on me, so we're gonna go with me. Yeah, so today I'm gonna be trying, I said trying, to make homemade ice cream from scratch. I don't really know how to do it, and hopefully you guys know how to do it, which probably click on the video. But yeah, that's what we're gonna be doing today. Unfortunately, this will be my last video for the next 3 weeks due to upcoming external exams. And at the moment, I'm not capable.
Stop it. Get some help.
If you got that joke, drop a like. Yeah, so that's what we're gonna be doing today. If you're new here, hit the subscribe button, turn your post notifications. And if you're a returning watcher, then guys, you know what to do. Share the video, like it, encourage others to subscribe. Come on, guys, do the right thing. Yeah, so without further ado, let's get to the video. Okay, so the ingredients I used to make this were milk, sealable bags, preferably Ziploc, cinnamon, vanilla, granulated sugar, salt, and ice cubes. Okay, so the first thing I did was measure out the milk. I measured 2 cups of milk in my measuring cup and then poured it into a small bowl where we're going to mix all the other ingredients. People recommend using half and half as it has a higher fat content, which gives the ice cream a better structure, but I didn't have half and half, so I used low fat milk. Next, I added half a cup of granulated sugar, then 1/8 of a cup of vanilla essence just to give it a bit of flavor, a 1/4 tablespoon of cinnamon, and finally a pinch of salt. Just a pinch, guys. The last thing I wanted was salty ice cream. Then I stirred it until everything was combined and all the sugar was dissolved. Then I proceeded to strain the mixture in an attempt to get rid of some of the cinnamon grains. This was a futile action because, cinnamon grains are so small. When they're mixed up in everything, you don't even taste them. So I just wasted some time doing that. Then I went for one of the plastic bags needed for the recipe and I poured the mixture into it. I tried to remove as much air from the bag as possible so that it was able to fit into another bag of the same size. Now to make the ice cream machine. So to do this, in a Ziploc bag of the same size as the first, I added a lot of ice. Let's just say a lot of ice. It's about what, 2 cups, 3 cups of ice? A lot of ice. Ice not carry germs, guys. Don't judge me. Next, I added half a cup of salt to the ice. Yes, half a cup is a lot of salt, but it's necessary because salt basically lowers the freezing point of the ice, which causes the ice to become colder and make good ice cream. You know, science stuff. Then I placed the bag with the ice cream mixture into the bag with the ice and salt. Then I tried to cover it as much as possible with the ice. Finally, I tried to remove as much air from the bag as possible, then I closed it. Okay guys, this is the fun part. We're going to be doing a bit of exercise. So you're going to take your bag that we've combined with our ice and salt and get your favorite kitchen towel, and we're going to put it in the kitchen towel. Make sure as much air is out of the bag as possible. Now we're going to shake it for 5 minutes, non-stop. As you see here, there's an extra bag because I have to double do it. Started getting really wet. So just a caution, it's gonna get really wet when you're doing this. So be prepared to get really wet. I think it's good. Okay, it's the moment of truth. Well, it isn't Devon's house ice cream, but still ice cream. I have to admit guys, this came out great as a soft serve ice cream. The flavor was great, the consistency was right. If you're a soft serve lover, you'll definitely love this recipe. But since I'm not one such person, I decided to try it again. In order to make this quote-unquote better ice cream, I had to add half and half to the mix. But again, I couldn't find any half and half, so I had to use heavy cream instead. Apparently you can make 2 cups of half and half by mixing 2/3 cups of heavy cream with 1 1/3 cup of low-fat milk. For the rest of the recipe, I followed the exact procedure. So first I added the milk solution. Then I added the granulated sugar. Then the vanilla. The cinnamon. And finally a pinch of salt. Then I poured the ice cream mixture back into the measuring cup, but this time I didn't strain it. Just like before, I poured the ice cream mixture into a sealable Ziploc bag. Then squeezed out as much air as possible. Then I proceeded to set up my ice cream machine. And finally I placed the ice cream mixture into my ice cream machine. Okay guys, so I've been shaking for about 7 minutes now, and I poured out some of the water when I was finished so it wouldn't make that big a mess. And here we have our ice cream, right? Yeah. So now we're gonna check to see how we did. And there we have our ice cream. Okay, so it might not have come out as a good ice cream, but it did make a great chocolate milkshake. Okay, so I experimented with various milks and creams after that, and I can safely say that for homemade ice cream, low-fat milk works the best. Overall, homemade ice cream is great if you like soft serve ice cream, or if you want to make an ice cream milkshake, or if you just want to have a bit of fun and get some exercise. But if you're looking for a cheap Devon substitute, there isn't any. Just go buy some Devon. If you've made it to the end of the video, I just want to say a big thanks for watching. Remember to like, share, subscribe, and comment down below what you want to see me do next. Until next time, walk good.